Welcome to our Tagalog language learning lesson. How are you all? This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD MSCD, speaking to you all about the video. New York City school teacher here in the USA, who I am, author, writer of 22 books. Yes, 22. And two of them are right here in front of you. On your left is my first ever book. My first book among my 22 is Speak Tagalog, a basic primer, written by yours truly, Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, PSCD, MSCD. On your right, Christ Like Mom and Dad is another book of mine among my 22, and this is a Tagalog English version. Christ Like Mom and Dad in Tagalog at the bottom, Maka Diyos Kristo na tatay at nanay. Written by yours truly, Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD. How are you all? I hope that the Happy Mother's Day celebration of everybody is always just a perfect celebration. Every day is a celebration of life indeed. And namaste to all of you. That means a Sanskrit word that means I honor the God in me, in you, and all of us. And also I give my love, light, and gratitude to my beloved mom and dad, especially Happy Mother's Day as well as I'm recording this, and to all of you as well, to all those who are mothers, and also Father's Day will be coming on June 21 as well. And also love, light, and gratitude to my beloved parents, of course, and my siblings and their own families, and all of you, my wonderful subscribers, those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. And also those who are watching my video, love, light, and gratitude as well. And please subscribe if you have not already done so. And I appreciate you all deep in my heart. And more blessings to all of us as well in happiness and harmony. Isn't that beautiful? And all my books, 22 of them, you will find worldwide at Amazon, at outskirtspress.com, and all online stores worldwide, and at my website, juanitagutierrez.com. And welcome once again to our Tagalog language learning lesson. And today we are going to, by this time, you know how to pronounce Tagalog. 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 First syllable ta, second syllable ga, third syllable log. The accent is in the second syllable. Tagalog. Panghalip. Panghalip. First syllable pang, second syllable ha, third syllable lip. Panghalip. Panghalip. The third syllable has the accent, and some could always say as well the first syllable. Panghalip. Pronoun in English, ako. Ako means I or me. First syllable a, second syllable ko. Ako. Second syllable has the accent, ako. That means I or me. Ikaw. Ikaw. That means you, singular. First syllable I, second syllable kaw. Ikaw. Second syllable has the accent, ikaw. That means you, singular. Kayo. Kayo. That means you all, plural, more than once. First syllable ka, second syllable you. Kayo. Second syllable has the accent. That means you all, plural. Sila. Sila. That means they. First syllable si, second syllable la. The second syllable has the accent, sila. Sila. That means they. Kami. Kami. That means we. First syllable ka, second syllable me. Kami. Kami. Me. Second syllable has the accent. So you say it because pronounced kami. We. Let's review. Tagalog. Panghalip. Pronoun in English, ako. Ako. I or me. ikaw, ikaw. You, singular. Kayo, kayo. You all, plural. Sila, sila. They, kami, kami. We. And that's all for today. See you once again. I hope you learned something. And thank you all for watching. See you all again. Blessings of Christ like. That's the title. Blessings of Christ. Love and light to us all. And that's my book's title as well. Christ like Mom and Dad. In Tagalog. Maka Diyos Kristo na tatay at nanay. Just me please. Available worldwide. Thank you all for watching. See you all again in Tagalog. Marami pong salamat. Magkita uli po tayo. In English, thank you all for watching. See you all again. Take care.